Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Mesto RSA, and it's still Random Convoys. Guys, we haven't been posting. We haven't been posting for a while now. It's been hard. It's been hard. I've been having problems and 17, so the motivation wasn't there. But today I come bearing good news, and it's that in the next 2 weeks, yep, in the next 2 weeks, we are shooting the very first episode of Random Convoys. Even is a mix and others and two. But in the next 2 weeks, we are shooting Random Convoys where we have random thoughts and real talk. It's actually kind of crazy because we also got a lot of stories that I should be telling. So within the 2 weeks while we wait, I'm gonna be releasing at least 2 stories. One of those stories, hence Bensitiba, I'm 17. I've been having trouble. That's why I couldn't shoot more videos. It's not that I was letting you guys down. All 210 of you, all 210 of you. It's not that I was letting you down. It was just that I was not motivated because I was fighting battles at work. Battles now that are very positive because I also have other news that I need to tell you, but not now. I was just fighting my very evil manager. Very evil, that one. I'm going to tell you a story about that. And then what else should I? Oh, I'm also going to share a story. I'm going to share a story about Ikazin Yam. Etora. Etora serious. So I'm going to drop those 2 stories. And then after that, Sukile, there's no turning back. We are going to be coming in by full force, equipment, pelele. We have everything that we need to make sure that this is possible. So this is me apologizing. This is me saying I'm sorry for the last short, sorry, for the last 13 days that we haven't been dropping. But I do promise you proper content. I do promise you that it's just 2 weeks, and within these 2 weeks, we are just gathering all our facts together. We are putting all this thing together. And what's going to happen, I don't think the world is ready. We are going to take over the world. With your help, obviously. So please, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Let's just push this thing. Let's just push this thing and make sure that it works. That's all we need to do. We just need to push this thing and make sure that the dream works. And we need each and every one of you. All you have to do, even if you just see the video and happen to watch, all you need to do is just press that subscribe button and then just leave the rest to us. All you need to do is just press that subscribe button. If we make it to at least 500 subscribers, that would be gold. That would be gold. And then we know we're just halfway there. So it's your boy, Mr. RSA. The guy with no tooth, the freestyling crook with an image of a skinny fool. That's me signing out.